How to make a template on Fandom. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make a template on Fandom, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Fandom account, and then once you're signed in, the second thing to do is to visit a community. It could be any community of your choice. So let's just click on a particular page, and then once you're in the page, move to the left side of the screen and then click on your profile icon. You can now go ahead and click on my contributions, so as you'll be taken to the communities page. So once you're on the communities page, the next thing to do is to move to the search box and then type out special, then colon, then all pages, so as to bring a display of all of the templates available. So after typing that out, on this page you can see several options, right? But then among this option we cannot see anything like templates there. So you go back to the search button and then type out templates. Okay, yeah, templates, and then click on enter to search out templates. Now as you can see, under this community there is nothing like templates, or by the right side of the screen you can see related community templates wiki. So just click on it straight away and then you'll be taken to the templates page. So on this page you can see the write up which says welcome to templates wiki, and then you can see templates or templates wiki. Then you can see the different kind of templates that are available. So the next thing to do is to select the templates that you would like to use, if it's for article or for any other option. So now you can also see how to add a template. Ensure you read through all of this so that you can know how you can add a template into your work. And then you can see the different categories. You can see templates for workstop, templates for archive page, and all of that. So you can just go ahead and select the one you want. For me, I selected template citation noted, and then you can see the templates already. So now you can now go ahead to edit this by clicking on edit. Once you click on edit, you'll then be able to edit the templates in order to suit your taste. All right. So another thing you can do is move to the right side and click on the three horizontal dots where you can see edit source. So click on edit source and then you wait for it to load. So after waiting for it to load, you'll be brought to this page, and then here you can now go ahead and edit this template to suit your taste. And then after editing this template and using it for whatever you want, once you click on save, it will be saved automatically to your post, such that whenever you want to make use of it again, you can always come back to use it as a template for other posts that you would like to make. So this is how you can make a template on Fandom. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can, and also you can make sure that you can actually make use of visual editor or source editing, whichever one. Just use the one that suits you better. So thanks for watching and have a good day.